Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use the single take mode on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can activate the single take to capture photos, videos, slow-mo, and more with just one tap over a few seconds. So you can basically capture 5 different shots in one go. So let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and open up the camera app. Now from here, you want to go ahead and tap on more. From this menu, you want to find single take. Go ahead and tap on this. And now at the top right, you can go ahead and choose if you want to pre-record or not. So say for example, if you're trying to record an action, but you don't know when that action is happening, you can go ahead and turn on the pre-recording mode. This will basically keep recording 10 seconds or 5 seconds before you press the shutter button. Now, once you're ready, you can go ahead and tap on the record button. This will record for about 15 seconds. As you can see, it's giving you a timer. Go ahead and record your shot. And now once that's done, we'll go ahead and preview it. So as you can see, we've recorded a shot. However, a single take will take 5 shots. So you can go ahead and tap on single take. And this is the first shot. So this is the photo which has taken. Next, it has taken a boomerang for you. Next, it has taken a rewind clip. So it's rewinded the clip. Next, it has taken a crop shot for you. And lastly, it has taken the whole video. So you can go ahead and review it and see what you've missed. So you never miss a moment, you get multiple formats from just one shot. So there you go guys, that is how to use single take mode on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.